Hey graduates, welcome to Marching Order. You should have received an email prompting you to sign up for Marching Order. If not, contact commencement at sps.cuny.edu as soon as possible. If yes, let's go ahead and show you how to complete Marching Order. In the email that you received, you will be prompted to set a password. You want to enter your password, confirm the password, and make sure you click Set Password once you're done. On the welcome page, you want to use the Update Your Graduate Information / Record Your Name button to make sure you are recognized properly. Once you hit that button, it will take you to the graduate information form. In this form, you will confirm if you already registered to attend commencement, if your full name is correct, what's your preferred full name? Would you like to opt in to receive text messages about the commencement, and your phone number. Next, you want to create a personalized graduation slide. Here you will upload a photo of your choice. Once the image is uploaded, you want to go ahead and enter a personal message in the box presented to you. This will appear on your slide during the ceremony. Next, record your name. This part is very important. Sometimes folks may pronounce your name incorrectly, so you want to make sure you truly complete this portion. There's two options. You can receive an automated phone call, or you can record your name, the pronunciation of your name, using the microphone on your device. If you choose to receive a phone call, you want to go ahead and enter your phone number, click submit, and it'll prompt you on how to move forward. Next is phonetics. Phonetics is just how your name is pronounced written out. On the left-hand side is examples on how to do that correctly. You have an option to have your photo be considered for the graduate highlight on the school's Instagram page. You can also enter your Instagram handle if you would like to be tagged. Option here, you can go ahead and enter or answer a few prompts. What are you doing after graduation? What was your favorite course and why? Do you have any advice for the graduating class of 2025? In this section, you will want to go ahead and enter all that information here. These responses will be highlighted in the commencement video. Next, you want to go ahead and shout out your favorite faculty member. Leave a nice message, a great memory to a professor who you really connected with. This note can also be shared with them post-graduation. Finally, you want to confirm your updates by entering the date of your submission. Bonus: if you want your family and friends to receive commencement ceremony updates directly to them, go ahead and enter their email addresses here. Once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and click submit twice, and then you're all set. Thank you for completing your marching order. Reach out to us if you have any further questions or concerns. See you at graduation.